I really love entertaining and having a house full of friends and family over Christmas and New Year, and I'm going to show you some quick and easy canapes that you can whip up. So I've got a star-shaped cutter here and just some white bread, and I'm going to place my cutter onto the bread and just push down and cut out little stars. I think it's really important with canapes that you don't have really big ones that you need to take a couple of bites from, and it's really awkward when you're chatting to somebody and holding a drink. So I like to keep them small and easy to eat. That I think is so important. I'm just going to cut some of these out and then put my tray. So you'll notice in my baking tray I have got my Baker Glide. I use it in everything. It's just brilliant. Saves on time and washing up and reusable. So I'm an absolute massive fan. So I'll just do a couple more of these. So I've got my stars cut out here on my baking tray, and I'm going to pop them into the baking oven. So not the really hot oven. Slide those in there and then leave them for about 10 minutes, and then I shall take them out and let them cool. Right, my little stars have toasted nicely and just cooled there, and I've got my beef here, which I'm just going to cut into little pieces. Slightly cut on the angle. And just making sure that you give people a manageable bite-sized piece. I'm taking off any bits of fat because nobody wants to have that on that canapé. Now this beef, you could cook it more. It's quite rare in the middle, which we as a family like, but not everybody does. So you can always give it a little bit longer in the oven. Now I have got some Philadelphia here. I'm going to spoon a little bit out and pop it in there. And I've also got some creamed horseradish. And I'm going to put a teaspoon in there, teaspoon and a half, and mix it with my Philadelphia. I think horseradish can be quite strong and overpowering, and mixed with the cream cheese just makes it a little less overpowering, a little bit more of a subtle flavour. So those are nicely mixed there. So I've got my creamed horseradish and Philadelphia mix there, and I'm just going to spoon a little bit on to my star, and then pop a piece of beef and a small little bit of rocket. Don't want the stalk, just a little bit of greenery on there, and then a pomegranate seed on the top. So I think those look really lovely and festive and really gorgeous, and they taste delicious too. So I've got some more of my toasted stars, and I'm going to use some of this chicken liver parfait and some of my homemade quince jelly. So I'm just going to, it's actually a layer of fat on that, which I don't want to use. So I'm just going to scoop that off, and I'm just going to spoon a little bit of that onto my toast, and then a little lump of jelly, and in between I'm going to put a little bit of rocket. So like that. Yummy. And these are really quick and easy and a little bit different too. And I am very excited about these toasted stars. A little bit of quince on the top like that. Yummy. So I'm now going to do some with the chicken liver parfait, and I'm going to use some cranberries as well. So a little bit of chicken liver on there, and I'm then going to use, I've got some little tiny basil leaves, so I'm going to pop a little bit of basil on there, and then a little bit of cranberry sauce, tiny little dollop on the top, like that. And then I'm going to use, these are dried cranberries, and I'm just going to pop a little one of those on the top there. Stuck to my finger. A little basil. A little bit of cranberry. And that also helps stick the dried cranberry on the top as well, so it shouldn't slide off. So I'm really pleased with my canapes, and I hope that everybody this evening enjoys eating them. I think I better go and get ready now.